Hi, today in this video I'll show you how to download and install the RedNote app in your Android or iPhone. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for RedNote, and this is the official RedNote app. Just tap on the app, and here all you have to need, tap on install to install the official RedNote app in your Android or iOS device. Once the RedNote app successfully installed, go ahead and open the RedNote app from your app screen. And here, important notice, you can read this notice and tap on agree. And if you want to allow notification from RedNote app, just tap on allow. And now all you have to need to go ahead and log in to your account, or you can sign up here. And I've already uploaded a video about how to sign up in RedNote. You can watch the video to create your free account. Thank you.